Digital marketing strategy is like a roadmap for navigating the vast online landscape. It's essential for businesses looking to thrive in today's digital world. Let's break it down into key components that can elevate your marketing game. First, understanding your target audience is crucial. Who are they? What are their interests, pain points, and behaviors? Creating detailed buyer personas can help you tailor your messaging and choose the right channels to reach them. This isn't just about demographics. It's about understanding their motivations and how your product or service fits into their lives. Next, let's talk about setting clear objectives. What do you want to achieve? Whether it's increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or boosting sales, having specific, measurable goals will guide your strategy. Use the SMART criteria. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This clarity will keep your efforts focused and effective. Now, we can't overlook the importance of content. Content is the backbone of digital marketing. It's what attracts, engages, and converts your audience. Think about the types of content that resonate with your audience: blogs, videos, infographics, or podcasts. Each format serves a purpose, and a well-rounded content strategy will address different stages of the buyer's journey, from awareness to decision-making. Speaking of content, let's dive into SEO, or search engine optimization. This is all about making your content discoverable. By optimizing your website and content for search engines, you increase your chances of appearing in search results when potential customers are looking for solutions. Focus on keyword research, on-page optimization, and building quality backlinks. Remember, it's not just about traffic, it's about attracting the right traffic. Social media is another powerful tool in your digital marketing arsenal. It's not just about posting updates, it's about building relationships. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and create a community around your brand. Each platform has its unique audience and style, so tailor your content accordingly. Whether it's Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok, find where your audience spends their time and meet them there. Email marketing remains one of the most effective channels for nurturing leads and maintaining customer relationships. It's personal, direct, and can be highly targeted. Build your email list by offering value, like exclusive content or discounts. Segment your audience to send tailored messages that resonate with their interests and behaviors. A well-crafted email can drive conversions and keep your brand top of mind. Finally, let's not forget about analytics. Data is your best friend in digital marketing. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your performance. Monitor key metrics such as website traffic, conversion rates, and engagement levels. This data will provide insights into what's working and what needs adjustment. Be prepared to pivot your strategy based on these insights. Flexibility is key in the ever-evolving digital landscape. In summary, a successful digital marketing strategy combines understanding your audience, setting clear objectives, creating valuable content, optimizing for search engines, engaging on social media, leveraging email marketing, and analyzing your results. Embrace these elements, and you'll be well on your way to building a robust digital presence that drives results.